Hello everyone. In this quick video, I will walk you through how to build a clean, no bloatware Windows 11 ISO using Tiny11 Builder that is fully compatible with the Windows version 25H2. Now, if you haven't heard about Tiny11 before, it's a lightweight and customized version of Windows 11 that removes unnecessary apps and features. It is designed to run faster, uses less RAM and storage, and even work on the older or unsupported PC while keeping the core window experience. You will see every step: downloading the ISO, setting up Tiny 11 Builder, and creating your own optimized Windows 11 image. Before proceeding, please make sure you have like and subscribe ITeePK, and let's get started. First, go to Microsoft's official Windows 11 download page and get the Windows 11 25H2 latest ISO file. Select the language, confirm, and then download the ISO to your PC. Just ensure you are using a genuine, up-to-date patch image. Please note that the Windows 11 official download link is available in the video description. Now in the next step, we will go ahead and download Tiny11 to trim down this Windows ISO file. Just go ahead and click the link mentioned in the video description. On their releases page, download the latest zip version of the Tiny11 Builder script. Once both files are downloaded, including Windows 11 ISO and the Tiny11 Builder zip, then go ahead and extract Tiny11 Builder zip and then right click on your Windows 11 ISO file and choose Mount. Here, please note the drive letter that is assigned. Now on your computer, go to Start menu, open Windows Terminal and run as administrator. Then open the PowerShell and run this command. This command will allow the Tiny11 builder script to run on this computer. Now here we want to type assigned n, then space, and then we want to mention the Tiny11 path here. Just go to your Tiny11Maker path here, copy it, go back to PowerShell and paste it here. Now again here, type the slash and then we want to type tinymaker11.ps1. This is because we have the file name tiny11maker.ps1 is the file extension. Now again, press enter. I've typed in the wrong name. Let's go to this command again, and here it's tiny11maker.ps1. Press enter. Now here we want to run it once, so type R here and then again press enter. Here we have to specify the letter of the mount file. Let me double check for you. That is E here. Now in the PowerShell, I have typed in E and press enter. Now here from the list we have to confirm the index number for the ISO file we want to create. If you want Windows 11 Education, you could go ahead and press 5. If you want Windows 11 Home Single Language, you could go ahead and press 3. And if you want only Windows 11 Home, you could go ahead and press 1. In my case, I want this Windows 11 Pro. I will select 6. Let me select 6 and press enter. And now the Tiny11 Maker will proceed with the creation of custom ISO file. Now the one important thing I want to point out here that we have two different scripts, Tiny11Maker and Tiny11CoreMaker. If we select Tiny11Maker, this is going to uninstall all these apps. And if we select Tiny11CoreMaker, this will be going to uninstall these components. This process will be going to take some time, so be patient. Now once the process is completed, press enter to continue. Now finally, please run this command to set the more secure PowerShell policy. Now if we go back to the Tiny11 builder folder where we have extracted file, here we got the Tiny11 customized ISO image. And that's it. Your Tiny11 25H2 ISO is now ready. You can use this lightweight and debloated version for Windows 11 to install it on any PC. even those that don't officially support Windows 11. If this video helped you, don't forget like, share and subscribe to ITeePK for more useful Windows and IT tutorial. Also, let me know in the comment if you would like the detailed install guide for Tiny11 25H2. I will create the next. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.